a guide you to share reels to your Instagram feed. For that, let's go to Instagram, tap on the reel over there, and you can switch to the reel option. You can select any one of the video from your gallery, or otherwise you can go through the camera and record it. I'm just selecting this, and from here I can tap on next, and there that from here you can see the more options. If you tap on more options, here there are many options that you can check for. You can hide your like count, share count, and here you can allow people to download your reels. From after that, if you tap on your story, then this will be added to your story. And after that, if you tap on audience, here you can find profile display, and here you can change whether it appeared to be only in the reels grid or otherwise main grid or also reels grid. And this is how you can share reels to your Instagram feed. Thank you.